I'm making this video to show what we're doing to prepare for COVID-19. We created a pantry out of a spare bedroom so we can actually fit a month's worth of groceries if we need to. Well, I'm going to. I'm going to go shopping this week when things die down a little bit. We are a large family. We already have a lot of items on hand. I typically always buy a month's worth of items when I go to like Costco. I typically like to just go a month or once a month to Costco and then a different store each week and shop off of, we do shelf shopping, and I shop off what's on sale. We also raise our own pigs, poultry, and we get a whole cow at a time. So we have 4 freezers full of meat, along with fish too, and we do all the vegetables in there. So we have a lot of frozen stuff to get us by. If anybody in my house gets sick, we will not be leaving, and I would like to have options. I think a couple items I'd like to get is more potatoes, and I'd like to get more rice, and a different, maybe some canned corn. But I think we're pretty good. I'm really good about shelf shopping, and we have more in the kitchen. And yeah, if we only have to do a vegetable and a meat, that's fine. But I'm super excited about this, and now I can also find all my other baking items. I like to decorate cakes and cupcakes. There's all my travel containers, decorations. There's pans, the vacuum sealer stuff, canning items on the bottom. So I'm super excited to have everything in one place, not have to dig through the laundry room and cabinets. And then over here, I like to do resale, and this is all my hangers, items that's for sale. All that stuff is they're listed for sale, or it needs to be listed for sale. I also do just between friends sale, mainly at the Bremerton location, and so all these items that hung up are already tagged for sale, and those ones need to be tagged for sale. I'm fortunate to have this extra bedroom to be able to do this and make a stockpile for ourselves.